Shoutout po kay RG. Walang receipt sa pulbuga. At saka kay Ron na walang makapa. That's about the last fourth and final quarter between Comis and Selection. Jersey number 11, 19 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 8, masyadong malakas. Pero ito jersey number 9. Jersey number 6, as jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, giving the ball. Jersey number 16, Gatay Sarado. 15 seconds to shoot. That's what it's about. There's another walk to Lawrence Kumira. Okay. Got it on. Jersey number 3 pass, jersey number 8. Okay. Got it on jersey number 26 again. Caution pass, jersey number 16. Baggett. Jersey number 16. Baggett bringing the ball. Jersey number 16 bringing it up to Lawrence. Akala hindi pasok eh. Napakalan eh. Jersey number 3. Has jersey number 08. Jersey number 08 has jersey number. Nagod pa rin na shot na lakas. Sorry, jersey number 25 has jersey number 68. Has jersey number 1 to Lawrence. Jersey number 1, Alpesto. Jersey number 8, pass jersey number 3. Nugget, jersey number 8 for me. Nugget rin jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 8, pass to shoot. Nugget, out of bounds. Sabret, pass ng pakasa at lumabas. Ang daming fans ni Brian. Si Brian ba yun? Okay ko. Ang daming fans ni Brian. Jersey number 16. Balik sa kanya bola. Jersey number 16. Shooting the ball. Brian shooting the ball. Jersey number 16. Balik sa kanya. 15 seconds shot up. Tumira, no good. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 09. Pass to jersey number 08. Jersey number 08. Namanya, pass to jersey number 09. Jersey number 9. 3 points. Jersey number 16. Matagal-tagal na po. Jersey number 18, Herman. Giving the ball to Vira Noger. Jersey number 8, Rick Watts. Good person. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 9. No good. Carry on, no good pa rin. Second try, no good pa rin. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 8, pass to number 1. Ayun na! Sabab! Kinakabahan kasi mag-uulawa ano yun, mag-uulawa masyadong kami. Nape-pressure siya.